Okay, this section's on area, circles, and sectors, as we can see there. And you've probably done areas of circles, so that's not going to be too new, but sectors might be just probably could figure it out, but we're going to go through it. So a sector of a circle is just one little section. So if I had a section out of it, this would be your sector there. So the area of a circle is equal to pi times the square of the radius. And notice we have to use radius here. So you can't use diameter in this. We need to know that radius. An outdoor accessory company manufactures circular covers for outdoor umbrellas. If the cover is 8 inches longer than the umbrella on each side, then find the area. So we need to add 8 inches on this side too. So my full diameter would be 88 inches. So my radius would be 44 inches. So my area is pi times 44 squared, and you do have to square first before you multiply by pi. And you get 6,082.1 inches squared. And again, make sure you write your labels so we know we're talking about inches as 2D in shape there instead of linear. So I'll let you figure out that one. So if we want to find the radius given the inches, or given the area, so we know area equals 58. We know pi, what pi equals, and we know r, we're trying to find r. Watch, if you're finding the diameter, then you would have to do this process, but then multiply by 2. So we have 58 equals pi r squared. Pi is just a unit of, is a number. It's a special number, but it's just a number. So we have 58 divided by pi. So 18.5 equals your radius squared, and then square root both sides. And your radius equals 4.3 inches. So that's how we can find the radius. And again, if I wanted diameter, I couldn't find diameter right from this. I would have to still square root it, find my radius, and then multiply by a 2. Area of a circle. So if you remember when we wanted to find this length of this arc, we took the angle here divided by 360 to find what fraction of the circumference it is, and then multiplied by the circumference. So if I want to find this section, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to figure out what fraction of the circle is that, and then multiply it times the area. So a pi has a diameter of 9 inches and it's cut into 10 congruent slices. So my angle is 360 divided by 10, or 36. That's 1/10 of the pi. So I know my fraction is 36 over 360, or 1/10. So I can go right from there. But if you're not given that how many slices there are, then you would have to use the angle divided by 360. That gives you your fraction. Then I'm going to multiply that times the area, and area is pi r squared. So my diameter is 9, so my radius is 4.5. So 4.5 squared. This is the same thing. Just wanted to show you that, like with the angle, and then also show you with the fraction. Then you should get 6.36 inches squared for that one section of pi. All right, I know that was quick, but that's it today. So hope you have a great day.